It was a bright Saturday morning when golden sunlight spilled into the cheery kitchen of the Rivera family. It was the kind of morning that made even the sleepy cat, Whiskers, open one eye to watch the bustle inside. "Today," declared Mum with a twinkle in her eye, "we're all going to cook breakfast together." She waved a wooden spoon like a conductor's baton. Hector, the curious, glasses-wearing big brother, pumped his fists in the air while little Diane spun around, her pigtails whirling like helicopter blades. "Yay! It's cooking day!" Already Grandma Mira, wise and gentle, was humming as she chopped colorful vegetables, stacking them in neat piles. She wore her favorite apron with daisies on it and smiled. "The best meals are made when everyone helps. Besides, you might discover something new in the kitchen every day." Hector was in charge of pouring flour, carefully but not quite carefully enough. A poof of flour dust erupted, sprinkling his nose. Diane's job was to crack eggs into the big green bowl. She tapped and tapped. One egg ended up a bit more on her hand than in the bowl. Mom chuckled as she held the bowl steady, explaining, "Mixing is much easier when we share the work. Every little job matters." As the batter grew thick and lumpy, Grandma Mira said, "And while we stir and mix, we get the best stories, too. What should today's pancake shape be?" Diane shouted. "Stars!" Hector called. "Dinosaurs!" Grandma winked. "I think we can manage both." There was a bit of a spill. The flour went everywhere, even on Whiskers, who didn't seem to mind. Diane laughed. "It's just magic kitchen snow. We'll clean it up together, and next time we'll pour even slower." "Mistakes are just hidden lessons," Mum agreed, high-fiving both children. Soon the smell of sizzling pancakes floated through the kitchen. While they waited, Mum asked, "Hector, how many pancakes do you think we'll cook this time?" Hector scratched his head. "5? Maybe 6? "Let's count together," Diane piped. The pair counted each pancake as they landed on a warm plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More than we guessed. Hector grinned. Grandma Mira kept chopping the carrots, this time making zigzags, hearts, and even a rabbit. "Cooking is maths and art at the same time," she explained. Diane made a carrot sun, beaming with pride. "Learning is deliciously fun." Breakfast was finally ready. Their table looked like a rainbow. Golden pancakes, bright fruit, cheerful carrot shapes, and frothy orange juice. Everyone sat together, clinking glasses. "Family is best when we share our work," Mum said. "When we help each other, we all learn and have more fun," added Grandma Mira. Hector tucked into his stack. "Cooking is my favorite class now." Diane nodded, syrup on her chin. "Me too. Can we do this every Saturday?" From that morning on, cooking day became their special routine. Saturday breakfasts sparkled with laughter, teamwork, little spills, counting games, funny carrot faces, and the warm feeling of learning together. The Rivera family discovered that the secret to happiness was adding a spoonful of teamwork and a dash of creativity, right in the heart of their kitchen. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.